So, good morning, everyone. How are you guys? Are you in a good state of mind today? Well, I just hope everyone here have already taken their breakfast. Were you? Because aside from the fact that it is the most important meal of the day, the word breakfast itself actually has a very significant role in our discussion for today. So I mentioned that. Well, I know every one of you, or at least the majority, already have an idea about this lesson. We have been learning about this for quite a time now, and or you just don't realize we are. So yeah, I think we can now proceed right away to see. Oh wait, before I forgot, is everybody here in the meeting today? Miss Togle, have you checked the attendance?
Yes po, ma'am. There are no absentees for today naman po. So, there will be no issues about that naman po.
Okay, that's great to hear. I'm glad that no one is going to miss our lecture for today. Okay, anyway, as I was saying a while ago, when you hear the word breakfast, what do you notice? Anyone, Miss Tayaw?
I think I just get hungry po, ma'am, whenever I hear the word breakfast.
That's a very realistic answer. Well, I expected that, but what I actually mean is, in terms of its structure or grammatical features. Of course, we are in English class, right? So, what do you notice about it? Okay, try to speak it repeatedly. Um, Articulate and pronounce it. All right, I just saw Miss Toggy raising her hand. Can you tell us your observation?
Is it having two words po having two words in one po, like about compound nouns po?
Exactly, Myra. Compound nouns. We are learning about compound nouns. So, let's see here. Compound nouns. So what about it? What are compound nouns in particular? Alright, let me proceed to the next slide for that. In this slide, it states that a compound noun is any term composed of two or more individual nouns stuck together, meaning there are literally two or more elements that makes up a word. And when we are talking about compound nouns, of course, it's all about nouns. What are nouns then? A word used to identify people, places, and things, right? So to tell you guys, compound nouns are really important in vocabulary or linguistics in general. So how important? Well, even you're just sitting right in front of your gadgets, you can find something that is an example of compound noun. Like when you're using a laptop or a smartphone, right now, both of those words are compound nouns, right? Laptop and smartphone. So those are some examples. So moving on, to challenge your vocabulary and to serve as an icebreaker as well, I prepared a short activity for you guys. So here it is. So what are we going to do here? So in this activity, as you can see, you're supposed to match two things that can be meaningful. In short, compound nouns. We are going to create compound nouns out of these objects presented. So, did you guys get it?
Yes po, ma'am.
Right. Oh, since I only heard Miss Tayo's voice, Miss Tayo, would you please take the first try?
Um,
Okay, try to identify each object first.
teacup po, ma'am.
Oh, correct. The words tea and cup can be in a form of a single noun. Tea as in green tea, red tea, those are also examples of compound nouns. While cup can also be paired to other words like World Cup, which you see an Earth icon as well, right, on the slide. So what else? All right, let me hear from Miss Togle this time. Thank you, Miss Tayo.
Hello po, ma'am.
Okay, hello.
May picture po.
Yes, yes.
Moonlight po.
Okay, very good. Moonlight. Moonlight is in the dictionary, right? The glow and the light we see at night. Okay, that's too much of rhyme. The glow at night we see at night. Anyway, do you have any more matches, Miss Togle?
Is that ashes po? The one that looks like smoke? Yung color gray po.
Yes. Ash or ashes. Why? Do you have any idea where you can pair the word ash?
Yes, ma'am. I think po, about ashtray po.
Okay, ashtray, nice. That was a bit hard because since these objects can only be identified in photos, it can be sometimes misrecognized or misunderstood, right? But that's a great answer, Miss Togle. Can you name another one?
Um, I see honey butter po. Is that acceptable? Acceptable po ba?
Yeah, sure it is. Honey butter is a type of compound noun as well. It's just that those two words are not stuck with each other, but it is open or has a space between, but still it is a form of compound noun.
Ay, ma'am, mayroon ba po ba?
Oh
Ma'am,
yes, Miss Tagle, I like how you are so engaged with our discussion for today.
Buttercup po.
Okay, correct, buttercup. But do you know the meaning of it?
I just
Butter.
know that it is a cartoon character po.
Okay, a cartoon character. Well, that's correct. A person's name is a noun too, but actually, if you haven't asked, buttercup is a type of flowers, yellow cup-shaped flowers to be exact. So take note of that if you don't know about it yet. Anyway, enough for science and biology. Let us go back to the discussion. Miss Tayo, do you have more examples?
Yes po, ma'am. I see airbrush and aircraft po.
Okay, wow, that's two great answers. And what's more amazing to me is that you pair one element to two other words, huh? That's great. Airbrush and aircraft. You use the word air. Alright. So proceeding to the lesson proper. I know that you really have a great background about this topic. So we are now going to apply it or learn about it more through text. So next slide. Here, allow me to play a video for you to better understand the use of compound nouns. So tell me if you are not able to hear it. So let me play it now. Okay, did you hear it? Did you okay? Let me repeat that again because I know that was too fast. Right. So did you guys catch the compound words in the video? Okay, in the video, it tells us the story of a grandfather, grandpop, who daydreams while he is having a haircut. So where are the compound words there in style?
Daydream and haircut po, ma'am.
Correct. Daydream and haircut. That was fast. So next slide, I have here another example. This one is the day dream. Day plus dream equals daydream. All right. Next video. Okay, play the video again. There is fire truck outside. Did you hear it? Anyway, let's repeat the video. So, did you catch the compound words in the video? Okay, What are the compound nouns mentioned, Miss Togle?
Firefighter po and folktale.
Okay, correct. According to this clip, firefighter Farah, which is the name of the firefighter, tells a folk tale about the campfire. Actually, there are three compound nouns here: firefighter, folktale, and campfire. But let us just take the word firefighter as an example. So, firefighter. So, firefighter consists of two words, which are fire and fighter, alright? So, fire plus fighter is equals to firefighter. Are we clear to that?
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay, next, I have here more text to take as an example for you to better understand how compound nouns work. So here, let me read each of the sentences on the slide. First, Grandpop is sunbathing in the beach. So what does Grandpop do? He is sunbathing, right? Sunbathing, which is an example of compound noun. And for its literal meaning, bathing with or under the sun, right? You can easily understand it based on its verb and noun. So next slide, we have Grandpop is wearing sunglasses to protect her eyes against the sun rays. Here, what are the compound nouns? Anyone?
Me po, ma'am.
Okay,
There are two po, sunglasses and sun rays.
okay, correct. Sunglasses and sun rays. Next example, this time I want you, Miss Tayao, to read the sentence on the slide. Miss Tayao.
Unfortunately, Grandpop got uneven skin tone due to sunburns.
Okay, thank you. So based on what you just read, what is the compound noun there?
Sunburns po, ma'am.
Okay, correct. What about grandpop? Do you think it is also a compound noun?
Not sure po, but the word grandfather is a compound noun po.
Right. Nice explanation. Since grandpop is a slang word or an informal word, it is not acceptable when we are talking about grammar. Is that clear? How about you, Miss Togle? Can you follow our discussion?
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay, if that's so, can you please read the last slide here and tell me what is the compound noun? Wait. There you go.
Okay po, ma'am. Finally, Grandpa learned learned to wear sunblock. Sunblock is the compound noun po.
Okay, very good. Sunblock, which is a type of skincare, right? And skincare is also a type of compound noun. As you can see, guys, compound nouns are really incredible. Imagine, just in a single word, you can already understand or gather information about it. It seems like a word can speak itself. Like what I said, skincare. What does it mean? The care we do to our skin, right? Yeah, it already gives us huge information just by a single noun or a single word. So moving on, I have here a short text that I will be reading to you, and while you listen, guys, you must take notes of the compound words mentioned. Because right after I finish reading, I will call persons to share their answers in class. Is that clear? Wait, let me.
Yes po, ma'am.
Yes po, ma'am.
Alright, thank you for answering. So, yesterday, my family and I saw a documentary on TV. We all shared a big bucket of popcorn. It was about the climate and how we are affecting it. It starts out with a weatherman predicting a lot of rain and many thunderstorms. Then a scientist explained how many insects are acting weird. He talked about fireflies, ladybugs, and grasshoppers, and how the changes in their behavior can affect us. He also said that the changes in our climate can cause earthquakes and tornadoes. After the documentary, I was very sad, looking at my goldfish and thinking of everything that we are doing to the earth. I decided to talk to my family and see what we can do to help. So, what are the compound nouns here? Can you tell me, Miss Tayao?
Okay po, ma'am. Popcorn, weatherman, thunderstorm, fireflies, ladybug, and grasshopper po, ma'am.
Okay, very good. How about you, Miss Togle? Can you tell us the remaining compound nouns that Miss Tayao failed to mention?
Earthquakes and goldfish po, ma'am.
Right. I think you're getting close to mastering it. With that, I have another challenge for you guys, but don't worry, I think this would be the last. So please do your best, okay? This one. So what are we going to do here? You class are supposed to choose two different numbers from 1 to 20. So yeah, we won't wait any longer. Miss Tayo, can you please choose two random numbers?
1 and 5 po.
All right, that was fast. Thank you. This is noted. How about you, Miss Togle? Can you name two numbers, please?
8 and 19 po.
Okay, thank you. So if you're wondering what are we going to do now, you are hmm, you are supposed to make a sentence using the two words that is equivalent of your chosen numbers. So Miss Tayo choose 1 and 5, while Miss Togle chose 8 and 19, right? Number 1 is lunchtime, and number 5 is toothpaste. So you must connect those two, Miss Tayo, right? Then Miss Togle, on the other hand, will connect full moon and boyfriend. So you guys have 2 minutes to make a sentence out of those words. So you begin now. All right, do you have an example already? Are you guys finished?
Yes
Yes
po.
po, ma'am.
Okay, I'm excited to hear those from you. Let's see how creative your minds are. Miss Tablet, can you share yours first?
Oh my God, ma'am. My boyfriend and I kissed under the full moon.
Okay. That's so cheesy, huh? But nice example, Miss Tablet. I hope you have or you would experience this thing because it sounds so romantic. That's a great example. Thank you. Anyway, Miss Tayo, how about you?
Okay, ma'am. So this is my example po.
Okay.
The food in the canteen tastes like a toothpaste because I just brushed my teeth at lunch.
Okay. That was so creative. You were able to connect the two words. So very good. I'm now convinced that you all understand everything about compound nouns. Oh, wait, am I correct? Or is there anyone who are still confused about it?
Nan po.
None po, ma'am.
Okay. I'm happy to hear that. If that's so, I am grateful to end this class for today. I hope you really do understand our discussion for today and learn something significant, especially eating your breakfast. Anyway, can we take a picture now? If you haven't yet, please open your cameras for our documentation. You ready? Okay, now I see the both of you. Show us your beautiful smiles. In a count of three. One, two, three. Oh, wait. Let me stop presenting first. And unfortunately, I don't know how to stop presenting. Anyway, we can just move on. What's important is you're all visible here. So in a count of three, one, two, three. Okay. Thank you for today, guys. I hope you enjoy our discussion as I am. So see you in the next lesson. Goodbye. Thank you for participating, for actively participating.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.